In this video, I'll teach you a cool trick of numbers, and it's also called magic square. So that's coming up. Okay, first make this square of 4 by 4. I hope the lines go straight and our magic square is ready. Okay, ask them to give you any number between 22 to 99. It's not necessary, but just to, this is just for distraction. This trick can work with any number. So let's say, first let me show you how the trick works, and then we'll learn that. Let's say they give you the number 40. Say this 40 is our magic number. And then you start writing the numbers in the square. 20, 1, 12, 7, 11, 8, 19, 2, 5, 10, 3, 22, 4, 21, 6 and 9. Okay. Now first let's add the rows. 20, 21, 33, 40, 11, 19, 38, 40, 5, 15, 18, 40, 4, 25, 31 and 40. They all add up to 40. Now let's see the columns. 20, 31, 36, 40, 1, 9, 19, 40, 12, 31, 34, 40 and 7, 9, 31, 40. Columns add up to 40 also. Let's check the diagonals. 20, 28, 31, 40 and 7, 26, 36, 40. The diagonals add up to 40. This was normal. Many people can do that. Let's go one step further. Because this is their magic number, so we put a special effort on this square of 2 by 2. These are 4 numbers. Let's add them. 8, 18, 21, 40. Let's these block of 4. Let's add them. 12, 31, 33, 40. Let's add this block of 4. 20, 31, 39, 40. Let's add this block of 4. 5, 9, 30 and 40. Let's add this block of 4. 3, 9, 18 and 40. Okay, now let's add this block of 4. This one. Okay, 1, 9, 28, 40. And let's add this block of 4. I think all 10, 31, 37 and 40. All block of 4s make up their magic number, that is 40. This was also not that much cool. Let's go one step further. Now I want you to visualize this 3 by 3 block of 9, 3 by 3, only the corners. This and this, only the corners of this block of 3 by 3. So 1, 11, 33, 40, and this 3 by 3, only the corners, 20, 25, 28, 40. Let's add this block of 4, only the corners, 11, 15, 21, 40, and this block of 3 by 3, sorry, that was not block of 4, it's block of 9. This block of 9, only the corners, 8, 29, 38 and 40. Now how cool is that? Let's go one step further. Let's add, I will use, I think, some other pen. This is becoming a little bit messy. Let's use pencil instead. Okay, let's add this pair of 2 by this pair by this pair, 7 9 29 40. Let's add these two numbers with these two numbers, 2 24 35 40, and let's add these two numbers by these two numbers. This is 22 31 36 40. And then in the end, let's add these two numbers with these two numbers. This is 1 13 34 40. And then let's say in the end, let's make something beautiful out of this. Let's put a red color on it. Let's add these two by these two, 1 12 18 40, and then let's add these two by these two, 2 14 19 and 40. Okay, now check out the corners. This is last. Check out the corners. 20, I am talking about this 20, then 4, that is 24, and 24 plus 9 is 33, and 33 plus this 7 is 40. We have given them 28 different ways of adding up to 40, and this was the number that they chose. Okay, let's learn the technique, or let's do one more. I will just write them down and you can add up with your calculators and you will see what's happening. Okay, let's say we make this magic square. This was not a square. Okay, let's consider it a square. Let's suppose, like in math we suppose many things. Let's suppose it's a square. Okay, let's say they give you, the person says, okay, let's say some big number, let's say they say 69. 69 is our magic number right now. I will write it down. 49 1 12 7 11 8 48 2 5 10 3 and 51 4 56 and 9. Now if you add up all the numbers as I did in the previous square, you will get the same answer, 69. Always there are 28 ways to do that, and let's learn this trick. Now the secret to this trick is you have to memorize the numbers that are already fixed on in the boxes. These numbers, how to memorize them, it's everyone's own way of memorizing. If you want any help in that, let's tell you that this is 9, this 72 is 9 times 8, this 36 is 9 times 4, this 18 is 9 times 2, and this 54 is 9 times 6. For the first time when I memorized it like that they are all multiples of 9, and then after that we write 10 11 12 here. Like that I memorized it. It's up to you how you memorize them. And then when they tell you the number, magic number, let's say let's take the same number. When they gave you, I'll write it with pencil so that I can change it. They gave the number 40 in the beginning, so just subtract 20 from the number they gave you in your mind. So 40 minus 20 is 20, and that 20 will come here. If you can see it, that 20 will come here, and one less than this 20 will come here. Then after that you just count do the counting. After 20 it's 21 and 22. That's it. 19, 20, 21, 22. These are 4 consecutive numbers also, but 20 less than their magic number will come in this corner, and you have this magic square as I had. After that, how good you are in adding up. If you want help in that also, don't these are your pre-planned numbers: 7, 12, 1. You know 7 plus 12 is 19 and 19 plus 1 is 20. So don't start from here like me. I'm a math teacher and I'm good in mental calculation, so I can do that. But if you are reluctant to do that, because this number you will just put it at that time and it's not very easy to calculate them fast. So you can start from here: 7, 19, 20, and after that you don't have to add them, just say the magic number. Like that you already it's 11 plus 8 is 19 plus 2 is 21. Just remember this: say 11, 19, 21, then 40. Don't add this 19, just say 40. And here 5, 15, 18, 40, like that. And always take the number that they gave you, and these are the new numbers: 19, 20, 21 and 22. These numbers you added in the square when they told you the magic number. So these numbers, when you add columns, rows, diagonals, take that number that you put new in the square in the end, and you will be fine. Otherwise, if you are good in calculations and you are watching my videos, mental calculations, and practicing, then that should not be a problem adding numbers. Let's take my bad, sorry, but I want to do our next example also. Okay, instead of erasing it, let's say they gave you 69 as their magic number, and here 69 take away 20 will give you 49. So 49 is here, and 48, one less, will be here. So 48, 49, 50 will be here, and 51 will be here. And once you have memorized it, don't write it in this form. If you write it like that, you write 1 and 8 here, 7 and 2 here, 5 and 4 here, they will know something is happening and something is fishy there. Just go with their number. You should have all the picture of the square in your mind already, and with a little practice you can write it in rows or any random arrangement you like, so that they don't know there is some pattern there or you have already memorized some number. I hope this you will find it cool, and you can show off with this magic square. And see you in the next video. Have fun with numbers.